What's going on, y'all? It's your boy D, man. Back to going on the twin. What's going on? What's going on? It was back to the video. This really got my boy. You know what I'm saying? We got the Florida State Seminoles with DJ turn the ball low versus Miami Hurricanes. My boy Cam Heisman Award. You feel me? But I did not watch this game. You know what I'm saying? I just didn't watch it. But if we can get straight into it, man, see what's going on. Yeah. And shout out them boys Miami, man. Them boys undefeated, man. Them boys ain't been losing. They've been getting things done. But let's see if they keep the streak alive. Yeah.
You're watching the ACC on ESPN. One of college football's fiercest rivalries is reunited tonight at Hart.
Bro, Florida State is really 1-6, bro. 1-6. 1-5. I forgot who they even. I don't even remember who they even beat, but bro, 1-5, bro, is diabolical. I can't lie.
Rock Stadium with the potential conference championship, national title, and Heisman Trophy at stake. It's undefeated and sixth-ranked Miami and Florida State.
1-5, bro. I mean 1-6, bro.
2017, their last and only trip to the ACC championship game. Return past the 20-yard line by
Who that? Chris Johnson Jr. I forgot. I'm about to say. I like them jerseys though. They're all black with the orange letters. Something's on Cam. Little dot.
It's a first down past the 45-yard line to the tight end Elijah Arroyo, coming out of high school about an hour south of Houston. Big run play between the tackles.
Okay, good run.
All the way down to about the 33-yard line. A gain of 13.
Good run.
Excellent job by the Sinners.
I doubt Florida State even scored this game. I ain't gonna lie.
The 21-yard line. Ward throwing again, and Brown wide open again inside the 5-yard.
See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying?
Takes it first and goal.
Florida State, so sorry, bro.
Corner blitz off the edge and quickly identified by Cam Ward.
That's too easy.
Walks in, touchdown, Miami.
That's too easy.
Against their rivals, Florida State, trying to keep their undefeated season going.
She don't like no rival, bro. 1-6, bro. Not worried about no 1-16 team.
Florida State coming after Ward in trouble.
Damn.
Back at the 28-yard line. Big hit by
That's a big hit, though. I'm gonna give him that.
come after this. A lot of bodies at the line of scrimmage. They're going to bring 7. No one able to account for
Damn.
his back.
And look at Florida State punting the dang ball.
Trying to pin the Canes deep. And Florida State's got 3 guys down there as that ball checks up and will be down inside the 5. Ward on 3rd and 3, hands it off. And close to the first down.
Did he get it? I'm pretty sure he got it.
Martinez appears to have it at the 39-yard line.
Okay, Damien.
Ward, let's see if they come after him.
3rd and 20 something, Cam.
They rush Ward from the pocket, throws underneath. My goodness, wide open is Martinez, and he
First down. Do your thing, man. Do your thing.
he gets 22 yards.
2nd and 10.
2nd and 10, Martinez.
Oh, he gone. Oh, he gone. Touchdown.
Into the end zone, touchdown, Miami.
Oh, you didn't do it, Damien. You didn't do it. You gonna do a little.
My 9th-year senior, Cam McCormick, he's going to get a little yo-yo action. He's going to come back and have an excellent block on the edge.
9th year senior, boy. Damn.
Junior,
That's crazy.
And then striking Brown just doesn't bring enough to the table as the 230-pound Damien Martinez runs right through the
Dang, 230. Godly.
rolls into the end zone to put the Canes up 14.
230. Damn.
Roman Hawk steps up, takes
Dang, DJ throw the ball without even playing no more.
much needed first down, sliding out
I don't know who the backup is.
Roman Hawk, they're sitting back in zone coverage. That high ball.
I ain't gonna lie though. If y'all 1-6, y'all need to change the whole QB room. It ain't just one QB, it's the whole organization.
Roman Hawk did not look like he was ready for the snap, but he somehow breaks
What the hell?
out of there. Inside the 30, inside the 20.
And this motherfucker trip up. Oh nah, ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. You just break that whole You broke this run, bro. You going. Look at him. Going. Pick him up. Going. Did this motherfucker just fall? Man, hell nah, man. Ain't no damn way, man. Hell nah. Get your ass off somewhere. Don't sit there and trip and fall. You can tell he don't know how to run for real. Cause how you fall? 4th and goal, they ain't gonna get it. Oh, they get it. I'm surprised. I am surprised. I'm surprised they score. I'm surprised they score, really. I ain't think they was gonna score.
Excellent kick out block by Brian Courtney. Opens up inside a minute to go now.
30-10. Come on, Cam. Show me something. Oh, yeah. Clean pocket. Good catch. Good check. Get my boy Trader. I thought it was Trader. My fault. My bad. Good pass. Great catch. 30-10 before halftime. Okay. Come on. Timeout. No, on the ball. Yeah, on the ball. I'm tripping. Clean the pocket. I'm telling you. That boy nice, boy. That boy Cam nice. Been trying to tell y'all this all season. Yeah, take your 3. It's cool. Take your 3. You better not miss either. That's what I'm talking about. Take your 3. Up 10 at halftime. I'll take it. 4th and 3. You know they're not finna get this. Oh, he caught it. Okay, I'm surprised. I'm surprised they even doing anything, to be real, because Florida State just, every time we see a highlight, it's 4th and 2. Golly. Just punt the ball next time, bro. Just punt the ball next time, man. Good first down. Good run. Yeah, I'm really surprised Florida State got 7 points in real with y'all. I really am. Good pass. Good run. 42 yards. You better make that too. Good kick. Up 13. I mean, the game is really over. I'm real tall. The game is over. Because I don't see them scoring again. Look at this. Hey, whoa. What is going on? What's going on? They should not be getting first downs, twin. I ain't going to lie to you. Trying to tell y'all. 4th and 4. They ain't going to get it. I told you. Boy. Florida State is fucked, boy. Y'all, I don't even know what to say, boy. Little flea flicker. Dot. It's all day. Good little pass, Dave. Good little pass. Good little catch. See, this is how I kick it for the kick, boy. This is how I kick it for the play. Just make his field goals when he need to. Ain't got to do nothing else. I like it. Hold on, y'all. I got a spider. Wait a minute. Whoa. All right. Had to kill that spider.
After being 19th preseason, Ward on 3rd down, backing up, setting up a screen, and the catch is made, but an immediate tackle short of the line to gain by about a yard. Boy, that was a nice spot. Chance to maybe put the game away for all intents and purposes by picking up a 4th down and 1.
4th and 1. You know they got this game.
That'll keep the drive going for Miami.
Nothing else to worry about. The game over with. I mean, the game really been over because look what they playing. Anybody worry about no Florida State, bro. Anybody worry about Florida State, bro. They might well put the backup in. They might well let the backup play and go and tell Cam to go and rest for next week, bro. At this point. Just tell my boys to go and sit down, man. Game been over. Game really been over from the beginning. We're gonna be honest, bro.
Still a chance to at least get some numbers here at the end. Get under 300 yards for the first time this season. Here comes a trick.
Get you one, Cam. Hey, Cam. Do your thing, there, twin. Hey, you can do it all, boy. Do what you do what you want to do, twin. Hey, I didn't expect that though. I'm being real. I did not expect that. That was a nice little play. Nice little play. That's a little boys and girls club play while y'all playing. Too easy. I ain't lie to Miami coach. If you don't just let Cam sit down and let the back go get.
Oh, what a run! Damian Martinez breaking free.
But before I say y'all sorry, bro. Y'all might be the worst team in the college. I ain't gonna lie. It's just no way he's supposed to break out of this, bro. How did he break out of this? Florida State needs going to y'all. I don't know what y'all need to do. Because after our season performance, ain't nobody finna come to y'all school, bro. Ain't nobody finna come there. Ain't nobody going to Florida State, bro. After y'all, what y'all did this year, y'all might get 1 and 2 stars, but a 3-star for y'all, you might even be pushing it. I ain't gonna lie.
Up 22. Gonna run it and into the end zone. Damian Martinez with a walk-in touchdown to make it 35-7.
Boy, this is pitiful. Boy, this is pitiful.
Right down Main Street. Interior blocking for Miami tonight has been outstanding. Nice big hole. A stroll to...
So Maryland in 1956 was the last team following an
The first team in the last 70 seasons. 70. The first team in 70 mother dang years to start 1-7 a year after going undefeated in boy. Yeah, man. I ain't gonna lie. The whole coach stuff gotta get fired next year. I ain't gonna lie. They better be fired. I'm talking about the whole coach. Really, the whole athletic team should be fired.
over the last 12 months.
1-6. We're really after this 1-7, bro. I wanna know who they beat.
Went over the middle.
I really wanna know who they beat. Wait a minute, they might score again.
On the rollout.
They did.
Pass to Malik Benson.
Don't even celebrate, bro. The game, don't even.
FSU showing
Bro, fuck a dap up, bro. We 1-7. What we dapping up? Y'all 1-7. What are y'all dapping up?
Damari Williams, and now Malik Benson, his first touchdown reception as a Florida State Seminole, the transfer from Alabama.
Oh, whoa. Wait a minute. Let's hear that one more time.
Florida State Seminole, the transfer from Alabama.
So you mean tell me you left Alabama with Milroe, Ryan, throw the ball up, Ryan Williams down there somewhere. You left Alabama, roll tide. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a piss about nothing but the tide. To come to fucking Florida State and be 1-7? Come on, bro. You should just kept your ass on the bench over there. At least they winning. Shit, you playing and you fucking losing. So obviously it ain't them. It's you. 1-7. And you transfer from Bama. Man, nah. Man, get me out this, man. Get me out this, bro. That was pitiful, bro. That's horrible. I ain't gonna lie. But that's it for this video, man. That's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how y'all feel about y'all college teams so far. If they win it, they lose it, or even NFL team. Let me know in the comments below. But pretty much it for this video, man. Until next time, it's your boy D. Not this thing, man. Peace.